Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix the Discord setup.exe installation has failed to extract installer error. Are you encountering the installation has failed or failed to extract installer error while trying to install Discord? This usually happens when a previous installation wasn't fully removed or the setup file is corrupted. In this video, I'll walk you through each step from uninstalling existing files to downloading a clean installer so you can get Discord running smoothly again. Step 1, uninstall previous Discord, right-click the start icon and type add or remove programs. Type Discord in the search bar. If Discord is listed, click the three-dot menu and choose Uninstall. After uninstalling, restart your computer to remove all temporary files. Step 2, download and reinstall Discord. Open your browser, type Discord, and go to the official website. Click Download for Windows to get the latest setup file. Open the downloaded Discord setup.exe file. Wait for the installation to complete, then log in or register a new account. And that's it. You've now resolved the Discord installation error. It's a common issue, but with these steps, you should be back on track quickly. Thanks for watching and hope this helped improve your Discord experience.